morning on behalf of Sonia Putri Arumba.
Good morning, sir. All right. Nice to meet you.
Introduce, my name is Zahid. I'm an human resource development staff of PT Mirai Aset Sekuritas Indonesia. Here I'm assigned to select all prospective job applicants. And I have read your CV. Immediately I will interview you. Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Sonia Putri Arumba. You can call me Sonia. I am 26 years old. I live in Ambarawa, Semarang Regency. I graduated from the Development Economic Study Program at Tidar University. During college, I was not very active in the organization, but there were several projects that I did with my lectures. And I was also able to graduate with satisfactory grades. It also gave me competence in the appropriate field of marketing and business and could contribute to this position I was applying for.
What job do you want to apply for?
I want to apply for a job in marketing because I enjoy communicating and easily adapt any condition. So I decided to choose this position.
How far do you know about our company?
Yes, I already know this company, where this company was established since 2009 and engaged in marketing and business. Until now, it has approximately 30 branches of the company spread throughout Indonesia.
What motivates you to work for our company?
I want to contribute because your company is one of the best in the field of marketing and business. This motivated to me be able to make a career in the company and the education that I took was relevant for this position.
Can you explain your strengths?
I think my greatest strength is goal-oriented and self-motivation. I feel that the success I've achieved so far, like having a good GPA and completing my studies on time, is the result of this positive attitude.
Okay, and then what are your weakness?
One of my biggest weaknesses is not being able to sit still and focus for long periods of time. So I set learning goals for myself. I'll be focused for 30 minutes. After that, I took a break. It brings me discipline and focus. I succeeded with praise. In addition, I also have a little difficulty reading in the distance. That's why I always use glasses.
Okay, next question. Can you tell me about your activities during college?
I once did a group assignment for a microeconomics course where I conducted a survey and managed to gather respondents over the target. Thanks to group assignments, I was able to graduate well and get maximal grades.
Okay. Can you tell me not a time when you were in a difficult situation in college and how do you handle it?
I had a difficult assignment in college where I was required to create a data survey project in a short time. In that project, I was the head of the group, where I had to make a detailed plan with the rest of the team. Because the time is short, we immediately make a list of what to focus on every day and also review the activity periodically. The project was successful. We were able to complete it on time and get satisfactory grades from lectures.
On the CV written you have had an internship experience. What was it at the time?
During my internship, I helped make copies of documents to ease administrative needs, then drafted minutes to make meeting time decision easier to revisit. I also helped sort documents according to priority to make it easier to monitor.
What do you think about overtime?
Overtime is the additional working hours specified by the company or the employee itself. In this case, I will finish the work on time so as not to do overtime because for me, overtime don't add The whim of the employee will cause harm to the company. Unless overtime is taken at the request of the company, then I will follow the policy to take overtime.
How much salary do you want?
I want to get a good salary, but what can we discuss first in detail about this position in order to get a clearer picture of what I will do?
Okay. If the company asks you to choose between money or position, which one would you choose?
I will choose a position because I want to continue to grow in this company. And I am confident that my earnings will affect increase in position that I will get later.
Okay. Why should the company accept you for work here?
When I went to college, I wanted to graduate 3.5 years. I could achieve it and prove that I would work hard to achieve my goals. Therefore, I have the appropriate competencies so as to make me the right candidate for this position.
Okay. If you are accepted, when is the time to start working with us?
I think 3 days after this meeting, I'm very ready to start joining your company because I want to prepare myself as well as possible so as not to disappoint the company. However, if in the near future the company asks me to join, then I will follow the terms of the company's decision.
Are you willing to be placed outside the city?
I am ready to be placed in an area or out of town because I have a lot of time to develop my career as best I can.
Before we end it, was there a question?
If I am accepted, what stage do I do next? Can you tell me how the employees who work in this position are? What kind of employee criteria do you think will be successful in this position? The hardest thing to do when you work? Can you tell me about the company culture? What makes you happy to work here?
Okay. You will be given training for approximately 2 months. For forensic in work problems, each employee is given a task along with a job target, of course with a time limit. There is no such thing as a heavy and troublesome work beyond what is normal as a human being. Only when you realize you are lazy, which will make the job more difficult. And if you ask why, I'm very happy to work in this company, of course, because our team helps each other if they encounter a problem. And the most special thing is that our boss always give a bonus if the performance we are working on is satisfactory. Okay, enough. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for the time, Mr. Zahid. Nice to meet you.